Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is David Isamoje and I'm here with you with another t-shirt design video. So in this video I'm going to be making a simple design, but please, before I go through that, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you need to watch more, make sure you check out my channels. I have about 42 episodes up already, as you can see. So many you can watch from. So you just go through it and watch as you like, but remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on tomorrow's video. I release video every single day. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to it. So I'll open my Photoshop. Now. So it's going to be a quick, easy, simple design that sells. Redbubble, Match by Amazon, Teespring, Teepublic. This t-shirt design, simple t-shirt design sells well. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go through it and I hope you enjoy it. So without wasting much, let's click on new. This is the standard 4500 by 5000. If you've been watching my video, you know that already. So press OK. You can see the white background, so I'll just tap on this arrow and I'll press OK. I did that so that we can remove the background at the end of the design. So now to start with, we'll go to the text, and this one is going to be it's going to be my brain. So this one is going to be my brain. Let me change the color. To something like this. So now I'll just increase this, or increase it. So to move this around, you just left click and drag your mouse. Make sure your cursor is on it and just drag it around. So to increase, I'll do Ctrl T. Then I'll press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, Shift key button, my left mouse click button, and I'll drag outward to increase. So it says my brain. I'll just press OK. Then to put in the next step, I'll just over my mouse to this brain. I'll press my Alt key button, my left mouse click button, and drag down. So this one is going to say my brain is 89.9%. My brain is, so it's going to say my brain is 99.9%. 9.9%. Supposed to be coffee. So to put the final touch, I'll just go to I already had my element downloaded, as you can see. So I'll just drag this in. I see it's quite small, so I'll increase it. To do that, over my mouse to this edge, give me the double arrow, put my Alt key button, Shift key button, my left mouse click button, I'll just drag outward. So you can see. So now a good design, as you can see. So I'll just change the color of this text to match the cup. So to do that, I'll click on this edge, double tap, color overlay, then I'll just click on this box, and I'll just over my mouse to this edge and just click, press OK. I'll do that for these two. Click over here, and I'll just do this. There you have it. Now we are good to go. So I'll just press OK. As you can see, it didn't take us too much time, just about 4 minutes. So the next step, we want to put up this background and save our design, and that's all. So please, if you've not followed through, please follow through and just watch. To your right, you see some other designs. Please make sure you watch it and have a good day. Love you. See you tomorrow.